We are given the identity above, and we are asked for which values of theta is the identity undefined, right? This is given as an identity. That means it should work for most values of theta. But sometimes the maths will break down. We must find the values of theta where this is undefined, right? In trig problems come from denominators. If the bottom of a fraction is 0, the whole thing is undefined. Remember, we cannot divide by 0. Even Gogo's calculator will shout at you. So the denominator is tan 2 theta 1 minus tan squared theta, right? And then we need to make it 0, this denominator, right? So that we can have undefined. All right. So case 1, we know that tan 2 theta is equals to 0. And then we're going to just say shift tan 0, which is still 0. So we're going to have 2 theta is equals to shift tan 0 plus 180k. For tan we use 180k, remember, because it's periodic every 180 degrees. So we're just going to be left with 2 theta equals to 180k. Then here I have to say elements of integers, show degrees, because this part is 0, we don't show. And then dividing both sides by 2, we get 90k on the right. Right, that is case 1. And then case 2 is when the other part is 0. Tan squared theta is equals to 0, which will lead to tan squared theta is equals to 1. It's like I transpose the tan that side. So I have 1 equals to tan squared, which is tan squared equals to 1. And then square rooting both sides, I'm going to have tan theta equals to plus minus. Don't forget we are square rooting, so we put plus minus 1. Okay, and then this means that because it's plus minus 1, right, it's going to be let's do this. If I say shift tan 1, I get 45, right? So it's going to be shift tan 1, which gives us shift tan 1 plus 180k. Then that will just give us theta is equals to 45 degrees plus 180 degrees k. Or we can do shift tan, and then we put the negative 1 now, plus 180 degrees k. That will give us theta is equals to negative 45 degrees plus 180 degrees k. And those are your answers for this question, ladies and gentlemen. Right. So the identity fails when we have negative 45, right? Negative 45 plus 180k, also 45 plus 180k, and also at 90k. Thank you very much. The most important thing when you are asked about undefined, just take the denominators and equate them to 0 and solve general solution normally like you do. Thank you.